Good morning, everybody. We are over here at June Lake. So beautiful out here. Check it out. The wind is pretty crazy though. It's going all the way up to like 35 miles per hour plus. Right now it's a little calm, so it's all right, but we are set up over here. Hopefully we get into some fish, and gonna head back home after that, cook some food. We've got a long day ahead of us, so hopefully we get some good fish, something big, something decent. Throw some mini jigs, maybe one bait rod, up my chances of catching something. So anyway, stay tuned guys, we'll be back. Josh on the first fish, right on the lip. Off again. Oh my goodness. I don't know what's going on here now. I had a lot of tension on that one. Damn, what the hell is going on? Maybe. I don't know. Yeah. First one. Chartreuse firebait. Chartreuse. Nope. He's ready to go. Woo! Nice. There we go. Still there? There he is. Looks like a decent one. Woo! Nice. What you have on there?
That's on those gulp eggs.
Gulp eggs getting it done. There it is, y'all. Oh, my tail? Chartreuse with the red head.
Good one, huh? Not bad.
Josh is on another fish, guys.
Oh, he's not bad. Oh shit. You reel that, I gotta go on the side.
Oh yeah, it's a good one. Oh my goodness. Ooh, dang. Woo!
Woo! Look at that.
Saved the day.
Golly.
You're gonna have to hold that one up
Finally.
with your little clip.
Yeah.
Nice.
Huh?
Trout with cataracts.
Crazy.
There he is. Wow. It's a beast. It is a beast, guys. It's a beast, guys. It's a big one. If I could get it out safely, then we'll let him go. If not, he goes onto the frying pan. Come on, guys. We're able to get him out, get the hook out safely, so no blood. It wasn't too far. Oh, he's ready to go. And he's off. Grow up to be bigger, come back, see my line, and I'll cook you up next time. Oh, it came off! Oh man, I need to pay more attention. It just popped right off. Dang. It was on this one though. Okay. That's that second one now that popped off. Thanks for running over here though.
Yep, look what I'm rolling for you. Whoa!